Figure AI has deployed humanoid robots into commercial production at BMW's Spartanburg plant. Not a pilot, not a press release with a lab prototype. The F.03 is building cars right now. Brett Adcock, Figure's CEO, demonstrated an X3 model that the humanoid helped assemble. The robot was assigned to logistics and assembly support tasks, bin management, parts handling, the work that scales quickly if you can get the motion and object recognition right. This is the first reported commercial deployment of a humanoid robot in automotive manufacturing at this scale. Not medical, not research, not a one-off proof of concept, a production line. Here's what matters. The economics just moved. Humanoid robots cost money to deploy. They require integration with existing workflows, real-time supervision, maintenance expertise. BMW signed the contract anyway. That means the math works. Labor cost, cycle time, throughput, defect rate, Figure's solution penciled out against BMW's alternative. The F.03 is optimized for tasks where dexterity and adaptability beat raw speed. Logistics moves bins and components. Assembly support means handling variable geometry, switching between tasks, responding to workflow changes. It's not welding or material handling. It's the kind of work that kept humans employed because it required flexibility. Now it doesn't. What you need to track: cycle time versus human baseline, error rate in assembly support, and whether BMW expands the deployment beyond Spartanburg. Figure needs production data. BMW needs to see reliability metrics that justify scaling. If those numbers hold, you'll see automotive plants announce humanoid deployments the way they announced robotic arms in 2010. The innovation was the arm. The insight was that manufacturing didn't need humans for repetitive, predictable work. We're at the same inflection with humanoids, except the work is less predictable and more valuable. One more signal. If humanoids are economic in automotive assembly, they're economic everywhere else. Labor is expensive and motion requirements are complex. Warehousing, food production, hospital logistics. The constraint was never the robot. It was the validation that production environments would tolerate them. That validation just happened at a major OEM. For operators building automation systems, this is a data point. Humanoid robots are moving from research to revenue. That changes the calculus for every automation project that previously maxed out at simpler robotic systems. If you want to stay ahead of moves like this, I build these systems for a living. Join the community, link in the description. Build the system, automate the rest.